Welcome guys to today's session. So today I want us to see how we can change a background color of anything from buttons to sections to even a section like this. It has a background color and also a section like this. So let's see how to change a background color of any section in WordPress using Elementor page builder. So right away I will enable edit with Elementor. Now we will start with this button. So I have this button. The color of the text is white and it has a background color of red. So how can we change background color like this one? So I will duplicate this button so that we can see the change on the next button. So this is the button now I want to work with. We can see now after I click edit here, I can be able to see all the details on the left sidebar here. So we can see the text is enrolled today. It has also an icon. So I'll click style. Now on the style we have button, we have typography. We can change the font family here, font weight transform. We can transform it to lowercase if you want. We can transform it to capitalize if you want. Yes. So we just want to focus on the color. So we come here, we have text color. You can see it is white currently. So background type is classic. We have classic and we have gradient. So for the colors we work with classic. So for the color you click here. So I can choose any color here by dragging this to wherever section I want. So right now you see I have blue. I can also drag it. I have a different color. I can also drag it to have a different one. So that's how we do it for the button. So any button in WordPress, this is how you should do. Very easy and very quickly. So again, let's see now how to change background color of a section like this one. So again, I will also duplicate this section so that you can see the difference. So let's deal with the second section. So this is the text color. We can see once I click this section around, I can be able to see the text on the left side. We have web development course outline. Now we want to change the background, this red background. So what do we do? Now I won't click the add section, I will click the edit section, the middle icon. So I click that one. The first thing I see is layout. Of course it is boxed. You can toggle this and you can choose full width if you want, but I will just be working with the boxed. My whole page is boxed, the layout is boxed, so I'll go to style. Now on the style we see we have background here. On the background we have background type, we have classic chosen. So again, because this is only color, you go with the classic, not gradient. If you need a video to be on the background, you choose video. If you want slideshow, you want a slideshow of images to be running from left to right, you can choose slideshow. But for us we need classic, so for the color I'll choose this. I'll choose any color, blue. So we see now we can change the color. If I also need to have an image here instead of a color, I can be able to add an image here. I'll just click the image, then I can choose any image. So you see the image is there and the image is repeating, the background is repeating. So for the repeat here, you can choose no repeat, and then for the image size it is full. So for position it is, you can maybe put center, at least it will be centered. So attachment you can say fixed, and for the display size we can say cover or maybe contain. So contain, it will just contain that section depending on the size of it. So you see the image is fixed. It is as if it is fixed because we chose fixed. If you needed to scroll alongside the section, you do this. So that's how you do, but we don't want the image there. It is not the right image for that section. So we have changed background color of this section very easily. So another thing also happens on columns. Columns background color is very different. You are not going to choose a whole section like this one. You are going to choose an individual column like this one. So I'll click the first column. It has an option to edit column when you click it. So now I go to style. On the background I can choose classic. Color, I can choose the color I want. Red maybe. So you see now it has the background color of red. If you need blue, you choose blue. So that's how you work on changing different sections in WordPress. That's how you change background colors of these sections. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. Consider subscribing and ensure you like this video so that more people can see this video who are interested to learn web development in WordPress. Thank you so much.